Hey guys, it's Max Van over at SportbikeTracker.com, and today I'm coming at you with the all-new kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. So now let's open up our Fly Racing helmet garage and see what's inside. So here we have it, the all freshly restocked Shoei X15 Marquez Motegi 4 helmet. And this lid is just truly badass. The different kinds of red, the Asian, Japanese themed design. And granted, it was the Motegi 4 helmet, so he used this lid, actually, this graphic at his one of his last races with Honda at Motegi this year, which he got on the podium. The gold, truly unique. Got this fancy little Catman on the back. I don't know what that stands for, but it's totally badass. And you may be asking, Marquez helmet, Marquez graphic from Shoei, where's the number 93? I don't know and I don't care. This looks pretty badass without it. And by the way, Pecco, you totally took him out in the last race, but you know what? You're not cool enough to have a Marquez graphic or your own graphic like him. And yeah, so this is going to be our kick-ass helmet graphic of the week, the Shoei X15 Motegi 4. If you have any questions, leave some in the comments, but I recommend you buy one of these bad boys because they're kick-ass.